Growth. That's the number one reason for investing in York. Economic growth, capital growth, rental growth, and growth is what you can expect from IP Global's latest buy-to-let opportunity. York's a historic city which attracts over 8 million visitors per year. More than 24,000 people are employed in the tourism industry, but it's also a modern one with an economy made up of more than 12,000 businesses across a broad base of sectors, including finance, biotech, transport, and creative industries. Unemployment is really low, just 2.3%, and expected to fall below 2% over the next decade. And that's going to attract more and more people to the city looking for work. And in turn, that puts pressure on the housing stock, where newly listed property is already sold much faster than the national average. In fact, the last 5 years have seen prices grow by more than 25%, and rents increase by almost 7.5% in 2021 alone. These trends make the city an ideal buy-to-let hotspot. IP Global have launched an opportunity in York that lets you tap into this strong market. Fifth Grove is a boutique development of just 48 1- and 2-bedroom apartments with prices starting from £180,000. But with up to 70% mortgages available, you can invest with less than £50,000. Rents are currently expected to be around 5% on an assured short-hold tenancy, and with the average cost per square foot of just £408 for the 2 beds, prices compare favourably to other projects on the market in the city, where the cost per square foot can reach well over £500. In a market where prices are already predicted to keep on growing at pace, this creates real potential for the value of this investment to accelerate. If you'd like to find out more, get in touch today for a full investment pack.